Every once in a while, there is a property so special that you need to stop and pause, and this is it here. And you can see in behind me here, this massive patio space. We're located here in the Brewery District in New Westminster. This sub-penthouse corner unit has almost as much exterior space as it does on the interior. And you can see how it just floats right above the Fraser River. You have unobstructed Fraser River views. You can't get closer to the water than this. Plus, on those winter snowy days, you have great access to Mount Baker in behind me with the Patio Bridge. So I'm super excited to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit in New Westminster. So let's go and have a tour. Starting off on the patio here, and it is massive. So with the dimensions here, it's about 27 feet by 25 feet from the glass to the unit itself. And you can see how everything has been staged here. This is a massive amount of space that you can take into account when you're living here. So as we have everything laid out here, you have seating here for 6, more than enough room. You have the seating area here with the fire pit. So whether it is in the fall time, in the springtime, summertime, you can use this patio at all times, and you just take in these amazing views. You can see all the way out east to the mountains that way, Mount Baker, over to Surrey, a skyline view, the new Patio Bridge. So you really have 3-dimensional views here, a very dynamic view. My clients have done an amazing job with the landscaping. There's nice boxwood hedges that line this up, so as they grow and mature, they're gonna go right into these perfect water features here. And then what I really love, what they've done with this space here, as we turn things around, they have this beautiful hot tub here as well. So in the evening time, you can take in the beautiful views, and really this is an entertainer's dream, especially when you're in a condo, you're looking for that extra space. This patio completely does it. You still have this space here for your barbecue. And what I like here, the developer put this overhang here. So when you do jump into the hot tub, you can use this year round. It doesn't matter if it rains or not. You have this window side, and like I said, your sub-penthouse, so you have nothing over top of you here. It's extremely private, and the views are just immense. So as I said here, you have this massive space, and now let's get into the interior, because the interior shines just as much as the exterior here. So we're gonna just go to the front door just to start our tour from scratch. And if you are wondering what the ceiling heights are here, we have ceiling heights that are 9'5". So you have the elevated ceiling heights that allow a lot of that wind, natural sunlight into the unit. As we get into this space here, you have a nice entryway closet, obviously for your shoes, your guests, and all of that. So that is nice and tucked away. And what's great about this floor plan, and we're just over 900 square feet, there's no wasted space with a hallway. You come right into the unit, and that's what I love about these floor plans. So this was developed by West Group, a very reputable builder. There are 3 buildings in this complex. This was the first one in 2017. So you have the nice quartz countertop here, tons of storage. Everything in here is soft close. You have the KitchenAid dishwasher, stainless steel package here, all tucked into your island, a Panasonic microwave, and then you have the nice Maytag, and these have been replaced. The front doors here have been updated, that are nice and new. And in terms of storage, and these are the ones that pop out nicely like this, everything in terms of your knickknacks you can get in here, no problem whatsoever. Again, KitchenAid appliance package here with the stove. This is gas, so it's included in your strata fee. The nice hood fan that pops out here and then goes back in here as well. What I like here, even with the finishes, with the backsplash, it really ties into the flooring here as well. So nice touches with the developer in terms of a color scheme that's very, very neutral. The island here is perfect here for seating for 3. And then obviously you can just imagine yourself when you're cooking in here. All the views are facing outward to the Fraser River. It's a great entertaining space when you are working in this kitchen. You're looking outside to the patio, so you can check in whether you have kids that want to play out there. And that's another hidden feature of this property here as well, is just because you have this amazing section here for kids, for example. So if you have a growing family, just imagine having a play area here out in the fall or whenever it may be. As we get into the main living space here, we have this nice large sectional couch, and it really gives a good dynamic in terms of what this property can do in terms of entertaining. So already here you can easily have upwards of 6 people in this space here. You have the nice accent chair here, and then with my sight lines here looking right into the kitchen. So this, for an entertaining family or entertaining couple, this is really, really perfect. And if you're wondering about the size dynamics in this space here, just so that you are aware, we're looking at a living space here with a width of 11'8", and then all the way to 14'3". So just to show you the type of size that you're working with, again, this sectional here fits perfectly in this nook. As we get into the bonus second patio here, they have it right now set up just as a yoga studio, stretching area. You can do some weights. So whether you want to put this into a fitness center, have another secondary spot to hang out, a barbecue, a kids area, it does give you that feature, and it gives you some different sight lines here as you're looking west towards the new Patello Bridge and New Westminster here. But it's a really nice, decently sized patio here, well over 100 square foot. So you have 2 patios to choose from, and this is definitely a huge advantage here of the space. As we make our way out of the main living space here, my clients have done a number of upgrades into the unit, just over $13,000 when it comes to landscaping, new window slides, cabinetry and build outs in terms of the closets, glass into the bathroom, shower as well. So they've done a really good job, as you can see, just maintaining this. This looks showstopper ready. This is actually how they live. So you know that you're getting into a unit that's been very much cared for, and the whole entire unit has been completely painted as well. So as we get into the first bathroom here, what you'll notice underneath here on the cabinetry, first you have a lot of storage space, which is great. But the lighting under here is on a motion sensor. So in the middle of the night, if you're coming in here, there is a sensor for you with motion to light this up. You have the nice quartz on here, just like the cabinetry. So this is all seamless color blend. And this is the glass, the modernization. They took out the typical just shower curtain here, and now you have a nice modern glass space, and it makes the bathroom look a lot longer too. What I like about this, and with West Group, and it speaks of the development, they have high-end fixtures as well. So this is Kohler in terms of the toilet, lifetime warranty, very high-end fixtures. This is not just your run-of-the-mill typical stuff that you would get from the supplier. Over here is the second bedroom. They have it sorted out as a lounge area for them. It's just the 2 of them. So they have built this out in just a place to be able to relax, and a reading room in here. But with the size of this bedroom in here, you could definitely have a bed in here, night tables, all that sort of stuff in here. The dimensions are on the screen in terms of the size of this. And again, you have amazing views out here. This whole floor plan is based around the views. And as my cameraman gets in here, there is a closet, just so that you are understanding of it all here. And you have a nice little closet here to supplement your clothing. The lights here are on dimmers, and as you can see here, these are electric baseboard heaters on the floor. So in terms of the washing facilities here, you have a Whirlpool stacker washer and dryer package here, and it has all the prerequisites in terms of being able to have your washer and dryer. It's full size, it's not apartment size. That's what I love about this development too. It's everything is the full size appliance package. As we get into the primary bedroom and ensuite, we're gonna direct you right immediately into the walk-in closet. This is some of the upgrades that my clients have done to really maximize the space with the custom millwork in here. So they did a really, really good job with that. As we get into the bedroom itself here, as you can see, we have the queen size bed with the night table. So even if you wanted to squeeze a king, you could get that into the space. And again, look at the views that you are waking up to every single morning, the Fraser River. Even in the wintertime, parts of the Fraser will freeze solid. So you have some really cool seasonal views in here as well. So as you make our way out here, and you can see, not only can you get a dresser in here with your walk-in closet, there is a ton of storage. We're gonna get into the ensuite where this really shines here. And again, you have the motion light underneath here with a sensor here on the wall. The double vanity, which is really, really nice. And this is a very spacious bathroom. You have the soaker tub in behind me in this portion here with the toilet, and then the standalone shower here as well. Again, tons of cabinetry all throughout the entire space here to get all your knickknacks in here, even a little floating shelf. So the color schemes and everything really flows seamlessly into this unit, and it's just been meticulously cared for here as well. Some other special features about this unit, there are 2 parking stalls with it. They are side by side, and what's really unique about the parking stall, it's on a dead end space. So you have a lot of extra space for those parking stalls. The building has EV future in place, so if that's something that you're wanting, you can get in touch with Strata for that. It also has an extra large storage locker as well. That's about probably 3 to 4 times the size of a regular locker. So you have the benefits being in a sub-penthouse unit. Not only do you have this amazing patio, a secondary patio, 2 parking stalls, a massive storage locker, you also have quite low strata fees and in a great development. So we're gonna kick it outside to show you some of the amenities and a little bit neighborhood tour before we wrap this thing up. So outside of Vancouver, this is my favorite community that is on the west side of Fraser River. We're on the first project completed here in the Columbia. You've already seen the interior, but let's talk about what you have access to here. So first and foremost, Sapperton SkyTrain Station is literally just a 5-minute, probably less than 5-minute walk here. You really don't need to have a car. You have Save on Foods, you have Brown Social Housing, banking, everything that you need is close proximity to you. Right over in behind me here as we walk over, you have access, all 3 buildings here, to Club Central. So you have a massive fitness center, there's squash courts, there's amenity spaces. If you want private massage, there's rooms for that as well. There's also a kids park just in behind me here, outdoor barbecue terraces, and that's what the benefit is when you buy into these larger developments. You get massive amenity spaces here. The other thing that I really like is within this complex here in the brewery district, there's just 3 buildings and it's all completely built out. So you're not gonna have any more neighbors, any more congestion. This is what you have. It's private, it's seamless, and whether you want to go down into Vancouver via the SkyTrain station or drive, you're within Vancouver 30 minutes or out to the valley. It has great proximity here. And in terms of being able to have access to nature, and you see all around the complex and development, just this mature landscaping. Something that is new to the area and continues to get improved is the Brunette Greenway. You're just a 5-minute walk down that way where you can walk across the Fraser River. It's 12 kilometers right now, but there's going to be an expansion of 16 kilometers. So you have a new river walkway that you have close proximity to, and eventually it's going to go from Burnaby Mountain to the Fraser River. You can fish off it, and there's a pilot project in place right now where you can actually drink alcohol on it. The pilot project ends in October. This is such a unique property, and it doesn't matter what type of buyer you are, whether you're an investor, you have a great rental pool just from Royal Columbian with all the hospital staff. If you're a working professional at the hospital, this is a great place for you. Upsizer, downsizer, it checks all the boxes. As we walk here, you can see access to TD Canada Trust. We have a Shoppers here, Noodle Box, Save on Foods, and a Brown. So you have all the urban luxuries and amenities of an urban center, but this is a quiet, tucked away portion, just one street that connects the 3. So you have nice peace and quiet off the main drag, but you have access to all these amenities. This was such a pleasure taking you through this tour. If you need any questions, let me know. My name's Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Welcome home.